So today is day 331 of showing up consistently. If you notice, I've been using this towel for the past few days. That's because I've not been feeling well, and I thought I would have been better today, but it's actually worse. Currently, I'm having a migraine, should I call it a headache? So I'm not going to be making a very long video today. Anyway, I'm just going to narrate how my day went and just one or two. So today, with everything going on, with everything going on, I decided to. I think that should still be with me for now. Okay, with everything going on, I got another certificate from Nextford today, which makes it two certificates. The first one being certificate for accounting, and the second one being certificate for data data science for business. Yes, data science for business. So I will be scheduling. I'll be posting it on my LinkedIn today or tomorrow. But I've added it already to my LinkedIn because there's a way I can just I can add it from my Canva account directly without having to click on add this. Yes. So I won't lie, that's an achievement because I did not know I was going to be getting those certificate along the line. I was just looking at okay, my master's certificate, that was what was on my mind. I was not putting in thought of all those extra certificates that come along with it. But so far so good. It's actually interesting. So, and the reason why I got that certificate was because you can remember I said I submitted final project for one of the courses I was doing this month. Submitted it yesterday. Oh, yesterday or day before yesterday. So the professor has marked my module 5 assignment and the final project. Yes. So it's going to be the first, this is going to be the second course in masters at Nextford that has scored 100 in all my modules. This is going to be the second course. The first course I had 100 from module 1 through module 6, to the extent that this professor had to send me a message that it was nice having me in class. I think I talked about it. That was statistics. It's because I love statistics. So now this one is data driven decision making for business. You need to learn how to use Apache Kafka, or whatever it is called. I learned to use machine learning. I learned to use artificial neural network. I learned to use all those other types of machine learning program and decision making to hasten and build, to hasten and create. How am I going to put it particularly? I use it to train data, so I'll be able to use to generate insight, the particular insight that is needed, and to use it to create predictive modeling. Yes, basically, I use it to create predictive modeling. So a business is going to know, okay, based on this, we have this. What is the possibility of this occurring? Or what will happen based on this data that we have? So they'll use the previous data. So we use the previous data to, for example, let's say we have 100 set of data. So I've used like 70 to 80, 70 to 75 to train the AI model, which is called supervised learning. So we train the AI model with 70 to 75% of the data. So the AI model learns with that. Then I use the 25 or 20% or 30% to train the AI to check if the AI is correct or not. So during the process of checking if the AI is correct or not, I will still be making correction on the AI, telling me that this don't, okay, this is correct, this is not correct. So all those stuff like that. So at the end of the day, by the time we get to 100, the AI would have already gotten the basics of it. So as we add more data to it, the AI is learning more. Then the more it learns, the better it gets at predicting the exact outcome. So that's what basically I learned. And honestly, it was very interesting, but at the same time, it was stressing and it was tiring. I'm already talking for long too much. I can be feeling I can feel the pain in my head already. So that's just going to be everything for today. The 300 and the 300 and so that's going to be everything for today. The 300 and what am I going to call it? Yes, the 331 of showing up consistently. I guess it's because I'm not feeling fine. That's why everything just kind of skipped my head. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.